everybody, welcome back. My name is Fabi and today we're going to read a book called An Old MacDonald Had a Boat by Steve Goetz and illustrated by Eda Caban. And we're reading this with permission from Chronicle Books. So let's go ahead and have some fun. Also, this goes with the old rhyme of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So let's have some fun and you can sing with me, okay? Old MacDonald had a boat. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a truck, E-I-E-I-O, with a slow, slow here and a slow, slow there. Here is slow, there is slow, everywhere is slow, slow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a saw, E-I-E-I-O, with a bus bus here and a bus bus there. Here a bus, there a bus, everywhere a buzz buzz. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a hammer, E-I-E-I-O, with a bang bang here and a bang bang there. Here a bang, there a bang, everywhere a bang bang. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on the farm he had a torch, E-I-E-I, blow, with a blow blow here, a blow blow there. Here a blow, there a blow, everywhere a blow blow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sander, E-I-E-I-O, with a sh here, with a sh there. Here a sh, there a sh, everywhere a sh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a bucket, E-I-E-I, glow, with a roll roll here and a roll roll there. Here a roll, there a roll, everywhere a roll roll. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a what are they building? A trailer, E-I-E-I, heave ho, with a splish splash here and a splish splash there. Here a splash, there a splash, everywhere a splish splash. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on the farm he had a boat, E-I-E-I-O. Wow, so this book took us on a journey. What were they building all this time? What was Old MacDonald building? A boat. The end.